Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about local variables and global variables in Python. In my previous videos, we have already discussed about the concept of Python variables. So first I will create the example and after that I will explain what is a local variable in Python and what is global variable in Python. Suppose for example, the variable x is equal to 12 and def keyword, the Python function start with the def keyword and my function, and this is the name of the function. So my function, at the end of the my function, after parenthesis is the colon operator. Press the enter button and another variable y is equal to 24, and this is the local variable. This is the local variable and using the print function. So print of value of x is comma x and print of value of y is comma y. Okay, so press the enter button. So call the name of the function, the value passed through name of the function. Now where the name of the function is my function. So this is the example of the local variable and global variable. So now here in this example, x is equal to 12 is the global variable, y is equal to 24 is the local variable. So there are two types of variables, that are global variables and local variables. So in Python, the local variable and global variable plays a very important role. One is inside the function, one variable is inside the function, and the second variable is outside the function. The scope of the global variable is the entire program, and x is equal to 12 is the global variable. So this global variable plays the role of the global variable is entire program, whereas the scope of the local variable is limited to the function where it is defined. Now the local variable is defined inside the function and the global variable is defined outside the function. So the variable defined outside a function is called as a global variable. So in this example, x is equal to 12 is the global variable, and the variable defined inside a function is called the local variable. So now here in this example, y is equal to 24 is the local variable. So now here the local variable is defined inside the function. So using the print function, print of x value, and global variable is x is equal to 12, and the scope of the global variable is everywhere inside the program and outside the program. Inside the program, the global variable it will work properly, and the local variable it will work only the inside the variable and outside the function it does not work. So now here the inside the function, uh, x value is 12 and y value is 24. We will observe on the Python console. So now we will call the name of the function. Now here the name of the function is my function. Press the enter button. X value is 12 and y value is 12, and the global variable is so using the print function. So print of x value, print of x value x. Okay, so x is equal to 12. The global variable is working inside the function and outside the function also, and using print of y. So y is the local variable that is defined inside the function. It will work only the inside the function. Outside the function it does not work. So on the Python console we can observe error, name error. So why name error? Name y is not defined. That local variable is defined inside the function, that is worked in only the inside the function, and outside the function the local variable is not worked. So that is the definition of global variable and local variable, and example. And one more example of the local variable and global variable. I will create the variable a is equal to awesome, and using the function def keyword. Now here the name of the function, my function is the name of the function, and end of the parenthesis you can use colon operator. And now here the a is equal to awesome is the global variable, and inside the function create the local variable. So b is equal to fantastic. So using the print function, so print of Prakasam tutorials is, so call the global variable. The global variable is a. Then what is the global variable? Awesome. So Prakasam tutorial is awesome. It work on the inside the function and outside the function, and create another function, another print function. So print of Prakasam tutorial is, now we are the calling local variable. That local variable is b. So it work only the inside the function. Okay. So now we are the call the name of the function. So my name of the function is my function. Okay. So now we are the this a is global variable that is working inside the function and outside the function. B is the local variable. It is working only the inside function. So calling the name of the function, the output is Prakasam tutorial is, and A is the awesome. Prakasam tutorial is awesome, and Prakasam tutorial B. B is the fantastic. And call the now we are the use the print function. Use the print function. So print of a. So that a is defined outside the function, that is a global variable. It will work properly. The output is Prakasam tutorial is awesome. So now here outside the function call the local variable. So Prakasam tutorial is comma b. So b is the local variable. So this local variable is not working outside the function. It will in Python console it will just name error. So this is the example of local variable and global variable, and definition of the local variable and global variable in Python.